In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an activity on Strava Mobile. If you recorded a test run, a commute you don't want to keep, or a workout that picked up incorrect data, cleaning it up is quick and simple. I'll walk you through the exact taps so you can remove the activity you don't need while avoiding any accidental deletions. Start by opening the Strava app on your phone. Give it a second to load your feed, then look along the bottom of the screen. You'll see a row of tabs. Tap the one labeled You. This takes you to your personal profile area where everything about your account is organized in one place. On your profile screen, look for the section that lists your recent workouts and totals. Tap Activities. This page shows a chronological list of everything you've recorded or uploaded, including runs, rides, swims, and other sports. Take a moment to scroll and locate the exact activity you want to remove. Check the date, distance, and title so you're certain you've got the right one. When you found it, tap that activity to open its details page. Here you can see the map, pace or speed, elevation, photos, and any achievements. This is a good place to double check that it's definitely the session you intend to delete. Remember, deleting an activity will remove it from your training log, personal stats, and any segment leaderboards tied to it. Now look for the three dots icon, often in the upper corner of the activity screen. This is the More Options menu. Tap it to bring up additional actions for that specific workout. Among those options, tap Delete Activity. This is the command that removes the activity from your account. Before you take this final step, be sure you're confident in your choice. Deleting is intended for entries you truly don't want to keep, like duplicates or mistakes. Once removed, that workout won't contribute to your totals and won't appear in your history or feed. If you track personal records or weekly goals, keep in mind that taking an activity out can affect those numbers. That's all there is to it. Open the Strava app, go to You, tap Activities, pick the workout, use the three dots, and choose Delete Activity. With these taps, you can keep your training log accurate and tidy, focusing only on the sessions that matter. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you quickly remove an unwanted activity on Strava Mobile.